Depositing a check correctly on GO2BANK is straightforward. Today, I'll demonstrate the process for you. If you haven't already, download the GO2BANK mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Log into your GO2BANK account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the mobile check deposit feature within the app. This feature is typically located in the menu or on the home screen, but its placement may vary depending on the app's layout. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter the details of the check you're depositing, which usually includes the check amount and possibly the check number. On the back of the check, sign your name as it appears on the front of your GO2BANK debit card. Below your signature, write for mobile deposit only to GO2BANK. Then use the app to take photos of the front and back of the check, ensuring that the images are clear and include the entire check. Review the images to ensure they are legible and accurate. Once satisfied, submit the check for deposit. After submission, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating that the deposit has been received. The funds will typically be available in your GO2BANK account within a few business days, although some deposits may have longer hold times. After successfully depositing the check using the mobile app, it's advisable to keep the physical check in a safe place until you're certain the deposit has been processed. Thank you, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated for my next video.